Hello guys! Today, we'll be playing investigating about Lana and finishing the maze with fans. Right now, I'm feeling lost. I will reset. Also, there will be loud noises in this video, so if you aren't comfortable, please click off. Shout out to all these fans. There are other fans, but they started already lols. Let's go. We just need to find the rest. This is really creepy. Just need to follow the painting. I wonder where they are. Not me turning back. I was so naggy right there, sob sob. Mick, I think we got the full team? Nope, not yet. Okay, we are a full team now. Shout out to all of them. The music creeps me out. I will post another video about investigating more. At this point, I went the wrong way and didn't notice. I was lost lol. At this point, I also thought I saw so many paintings I was stuck in a loop. But it was just me, and I wasn't going in a loop, thank God. Speeding, cuz why not? Almost there. We are so close. We made it. Oh well. At least we got the new dress. I'll see y'all later. Bye. Bye bye.